Hello, how are you doing? Hey, what's up? I'm doing something different. I'm gonna open and build this mini Lego briquettes of Buggy, and then I'll do another video of Luffy. I've never really done Lego before, but I thought it'd be fun, so. Box is empty. 3 bags, 1 stand, and instructions. I got that there. One 2x4, I guess maybe. I'm not too sure. So that one. Two gray and two brown. There's that. Now we need two black and two brown. Brown, brown, black. black, brown, brown. And then next, another, oops, wrong way. That brown is very different brown than this brown. What is it? Okay, yeah, it's a lighter brown for the hip. Alright. Do this correctly now. Next is the 2 with the 4 on it. 2 of these. Like that. And we need the gray and the red. The gray. Attach it somehow. Oh, okay. It calls for 2 of these on 4. Like so. And put it between them. Or does it? Yeah, it does. Like so. And then we need light gray. Like so. And then 2 of the dark gray plates. And get on top of the red. Like so. That's good so far. And now we need 2 brown flat ones and 2 by 3. So that's what's there. Okay, so we put the Lego and then the flat piece. Lego, flat piece. Yeah, Lego, flat piece. And 2 butt cheeks, I guess, maybe. No, that's just his back. Now we start getting smaller pieces. 6 of these, kind of tan. 4, 5, 6. 1 single. 2 of those, 2 of those, and 2 of these. And his shirt. Okay. Like so. Okay, got to that point. Now I put the little dots on. Bottom flag going up. Oh no. Now we put it together. I'm just here having the music. Two flat, two 2x2, and 1 white. single flat. Dark brown. Maybe light brown. Okay, we have those two and a white little connector thing. Okay, so the flat goes on top, like so. On top and like so. And bam, bam. I'm not completely sure what color this is. This definitely looks like a new color. It's gotta be this tan. Calls for 1 and 1. And it goes on the top. In between both of these. No, it overlaps. Leaving a single row. No, okay. So it goes in the middle. Goes in the middle, just like that. To leave space for the 4, like so. Perfect. And then we do 2 skin tone. 1, 2 skin tone, or peach. And then we got the other 4 piece. So we can attach the 4 piece and the 2 skin tone, or peach. Oh no, his leg. Okay. And now light gray. A bunch of these. So 3 of these. It's the 4 on the side and 2 on top with the light gray on the very back. And all 3 sides with the connector pieces on the outside. Oh, and we have the 1 green piece attaching to the black 4, gray circle, and OG green piece. Get that connected super easily. Oh, wrong way, that's why. I'm not supposed to do that. Okay, and this goes in the middle. Why do I choose green? Halfway there. And we need another gray piece. We need 3 gray pieces, like we had in the last step, to finish the body. The internal body, I guess. Okay. And we got 2 of the white steps. 2 orange. Well, hello, orange. Welcome to the party. The 4x2 and the 2 pink. Also, welcome to the party. Okay, so we're building. The pink goes on the bottom layer of the white. And then pink goes to the bottom layer of the white with the brown on top with the pink in the middle. Oops. Get something around here. Orange. This is dangerous. You should probably use something better, but I don't have anything better right now. Okay, we're at 3. 2 orange. And 1 pink. I have 3 eyes for some reason. 2 pink, the brown, and more heavenly music. Okay, and now, oh, I did that wrong. And then these go right there. And this will up like so. And one slope, two single, one flat, and I don't know, whatever that thing is. One flat? Yeah, that's a flat. And they go, oh, I need that one. I do 2 blue single bricks. Okay. So 2 flat, 1 flat, 1. Slope down, blue. Slope up. Let's slope up. Slope down. Next is the blue slope and a peach slope. Okay, so this goes like so. Slope and a peach long slope. Then slope up. One, two by threes, one single row, and 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so these 2 connect. And two away, one towards, one away, 2 away.
away, this way, and one away. And then different, alternating, and then 2 alternating, and we're done. And then this goes onto the back, and we're done with that part. Now we're getting to the orange. All right, 4 slopes. 4 slopes from the back, all sloped up. 1, 2, 3. What is this? So a long one, 4 step ups. 1, 2, 3, 4 step ups. And they all go like this. All right, and next, 2 1x4s, 1, 2, going on the ends of each part of the hat. Then the longest blue piece goes right in the middle with 2 dots on each side left, upside down, the little single brick with the thing hanging off of it, single brick. Single brick. Where's that darn thing? There it is. And these go on the blue side, upside down. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Keep it upside down. Now step ups. 2, 3, and 4. So these go like so. Okay. 2, 3. Okay, so 2 blue slope, and these 2x1s with connector piece. So this goes out, and this goes out, like so. These clip in. I've never done that before. 2. Wait. So flip it right side up. Okay. So like so. And then we need 2 blue slopes. This weird, I don't know what you would call that, like rectangle thing. Not really rectangle, but like a pentagram or something. 2 connector pieces that we used from the last one, and so we put the weird pentagram. No, it's really 4. I don't know what you call that. Off the top of my head. So yeah, just like so, with the slope going against it, and connecting. There we go. Slope going against it, and connecting. So that's done. That goes on top. Now we should hear some glorious music. Bam. And next we need that, a 2x2 and 2 rounded edges. These connect straight to the board. Oh, well, I guess like that. Okay. 4 slopes, 1 round, 1/4 round. One quarter slope and 2 slanted ones sloped, and they go like this. Two more slopes. One by four, double stacked. On the bottom, and rectangle, square, kind of diamond shaped 3-piece. Another one of those pieces, and a smaller piece. I'm not entirely sure what that piece is. Let's try it anyways. So, bam and bam, and then like so, and then like so. And try to do that with them. Okay, that's better. Okay, goes on the back side, like so. Yep. 4 slopes, 1/4 round. We're running out of pieces now. We must be getting close. Okay, so orient to the front, and we're making the top part of his head, or cap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, just 5 pieces. And then next we gotta build his little, using the remaining parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a peach piece. So I start with this, then I attached at the end with another piece. Kind of something like that, with this going there, this going like that, and bam. Got his front of the cap with some finishing music. Okay, we got the big piece, got a flat, and the remaining black. So we go 2. Okay, so now we got, this goes 1 row back, and this goes behind that, and then the biggest flat piece goes behind that, and we set him on top, And he's done. So I have extra pieces. Now these go down. So that looks right, that looks right, that looks right, that looks right, that looks right. Alright, I guess I finished it. And I guess you will have extra pieces? I'm not too sure. But yeah, got that done, my first Lego build. That's it. Hope you have fun doing yours.